So what on earth am I doing with my bike? Well, this is ultimately where I'd like to get it to, is more of an adventure touring type bike. Maybe not as aggressive as this one, but kind of going along the lines of something like a Versys 300. I'd like to have some luggage on the back as well. So that's the type of look that I think I'm going for, but again, I'm not 100% sure. So as part of my modification plan, I decided to choose a set of Barkbusters. Now there's the 2-point mounting or the single point, and because of the space on the handlebars that I have now, I decided to go with just the single point. And again, for the Honda CB300F, it's the 7/8 inch hollow tube handle that will go in. Now the joke here is the insane difficulty of installation. So take a heat gun. You could use a hairdryer, I'm sure, but heated this area up. There's a bit of glue that they put down there that I had to kind of scrape away. Like there's these little holes here on top and on the bottom that I use basically like a center punch and just drive that down. And if you're pushing it down as hard as you can and just tilting it forward, and then you'll see these little clips move just ever so slightly. And once they do that, you do top and bottom. This is the bolt that holds the piece in there. Give it a good yank. And this is the inner bar weight. That gigantic thing has a pretty good mass to it. And that is essentially the clip here that you have to push so hard down and kind of wedge it forward so that it'll even come out just a touch. And there it is on the other side. See, it's just a little clip that holds it in. So freaking annoying. And that's the inner bar end. So this is the side that's going to go into the handlebar. Okay, it's got to be pointing down, so the angle is down. This piece will go on the bolt and lock into place. This kind of collet here, I guess, collar, has the camphor on this side, and that has to go towards the handlebars. We have this. This is basically what spreads this open. So we get that into place. No, tightened there. And this goes on this way. So that expands and holds it into the handlebar. So we'll just insert that in. Get the Allen key going. Won't tighten this up all the way because we just need to make some fine adjustments to it. I feel that resistance now. I can still move it around a little bit. So then we'll figure out where this needs to go. Just give us enough gap. There's 2 hole positions here. 1, 2, and that's for... Now I do have some more, a new clutch lever coming, so that I should be able to bring in these a little bit more. But for now, they're just going to have to be out here on the farthest setting. There's another small Allen bolt with some thread locker already put on there. So now this is the removal of the bar end weight, the external. So again, you have to really clamp it down first and then remove it with a Phillips head. Now, because you can't access the holes that are for the clips, what I did here was a second method where we take a slot head screwdriver and wedge it underneath there and pull it at the same time. So there's the clip heads there that you have to kind of pry, and it's easier said than done. Stupid bar end weights. Oh my God. I hate you, Honda. No. So you gotta make sure that that is in there pretty good before you slide it in. or else you risk, because I've done it already, the chance of this sliding right off because the handlebars are tilted down on the throttle side, and then it falls off into the handlebar. So I had to use a little coat hanger thingy to get it back out. There we go. So that's not moving now. Alright, insert in. Make sure it's nice and tight against here. You don't want any wobble. Attach this on. I've got my Barkbusters on there. My stupid saggy saddlebags. So, do I like this look? It's okay. Is it to die for? I don't know about that, but so there it is now with the Barkbuster installation. Anyway, a few things that I don't like is this gap here. You know, it's where the grip meets there. Same gap on the other side. That's pretty necessary. There's enough room in the hands there. This is where I'm going to fix it with the new grips. They're going to be a bit shorter, and so there's a bit of clearance issue there, as you can see, on the clutch side. So, bar weights in or out? Do I notice a lot of vibration? Not significantly. Well, love 'em or hate 'em, only time will tell. And next project is to make some brackets so I can put some custom side cases on the bike. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ride safe. Take care.